Okay, this is a doozy. Let's move me in the corner there. All right. So Zach's making some cookies, but he doesn't have enough brown sugar to make a full recipe. Cool. So he's going to make part of a recipe. All right, the full recipe calls for 2/3 cups of brown sugar. If Zach has enough brown sugar for 3/5 of a full recipe, how much brown sugar does he have? Well, let's go step by step. Thank you, book, for setting this up for us. So represent the 2/3 cups of brown sugar that the recipe calls for. Well, okay, here we go. Here is a full cup of sugar, represented with a horrible rectangle, and it's gonna call for 2/3 of a cup. Heck, let's do this. Let's do it this way. And here's the 2/3 of a cup that it calls for. Ta-da! Part A done. Now, part B. Represent the portion of brown sugar that Zach has if he only makes 3/5 of the recipe. So he can make 3/5 of this recipe. So let me cut this into 5 pieces. So I really think about what if that line wasn't there? You know, this is how much we have. And how can I cut this now into 5ths? How can I cut this into 5 equal parts? Well, I would go like that. All right, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this and cut it into 5ths now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I need 3 of those 5ths. So here we go. Here's 1, 2, 3. And this is how much of the recipe he can make. He didn't have all of the brown sugar that he needed to make one recipe. This is how much brown sugar he has to make 3/5 of the recipe. Now, the question is, well, how much brown sugar does he have? So this is 1 full cup, and he's got 6 portions of, well, what is the whole cup now? He has 6 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6/15 of a cup. Or, what is that? That's 2/5 of a cup. And it said what mathematical operation could he use? This is multiplication, taking part of a part. That he's taking 3/5 of 2/3 of a cup, which is equal to 6/15. All right, which is what we had here. All right, have a nice day. Make sure to wash your hands and be eating a lot of vitamin C so you stay nice and healthy and not coming down with a cold like Mr. Marquez. Have a good one. Whoa.